Listen how quiet it is. And all the birds chirping. Freezing.
Yeah, birds at Mohican froze.
Not bad out.
No,
I think 27 feels warm because we were at like 9 for so long.
we have the sun on us too. We're gonna get our annual selfie on the bridge. It's nice to get out on a winter day too to get the cobwebs off the joints. There's the Clear Fork of the Mohican River. It's actually warm enough to fish today. So, okay.
So him not cooperating.
Swinging bridge, 9/10 of a mile. I bet that's iced over nice. Yeah. We love this park. We camp near Salt Fork. That's about an hour and a half, hour and 20 minutes from here. So we rarely get here during the summer unless we camp here.
And it's really hard to get a campsite here. And if we do, we'd like to be up against the river.
Which makes it even harder because we're 35 feet. And most of those, the max is 35 feet. When I say 35 feet, that means the truck and everything. That's the old trail here. That's what I was talking about. Look at the sun shimmering on the water. That's real pretty.
It's beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful hemlock.
I think that's one of the reasons I like this park so much is because it's got a lot of pines. Yeah.
Salt Fork does, but it's all in clumps.
This actually isn't Mohican territory. It's Delaware, Indian tribe territory, and 2 other tribes. They named the park Mohican in the 60s.
And it's known to be the biggest canoe area.
Yeah. Yeah, we passed 3 or 4 canoe libraries on the way in. Wally Road's the big tourist attraction here. Wally Road has all the canoes and amusement events and everything. Tubes, everything, yeah. There's tube launches all up and down here. You just have to carry your tube to them. We passed the first one already, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It was right by the bridge.
Yeah. And at the end of the cabins is the second tube launch. Have you ever tubed?
Yes.
You have?
Uh-huh.
Cool. All I've ever done was fly fish this, and I fly fished it up here.
Oh, you meant here? No,
Yeah.
I've never tubed here.
Oh.
It was really gross when I tubed. And there was turtles everywhere, so I was worried. Turtles were gonna bite me and
Snappers, yeah.
eat me up. Seriously.
You come out with 9 fingers, 8 toes.
Stop.
We had a break in the weather. It's nice. It was all gloomy and cloudy when we left home. It was like, should we even go?
And it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I knew he was gonna do that.
What's the matter, Grizzly?
Keep moving, Mom.
Yeah. See the size of that. That's bigger than us. Those bunny, they look like hop marks.
Me too. Hopping down the tree.
Drop a comment. Tell me what you think these are. We'll look them up when we get back, and we'll have an answer. This is pure ice.
Okay.
Okay.
Slow down. I guess I needed your harness on you.
Yeah.
I thought I could trust you. You're normally so good. I know. You haven't been out. You're excited. I get it. I'm excited too, but you don't see me running.
No. That's good. Grizzly knows that game.
It's so good to be in the fresh air.
Next year we're going to keep our camper in storage somewhere where we can get to it. Our campground locks our camper up for the winter, which keeps it nice and safe, but we can't take it anywhere, and today would have been a good day to bring it down here for the day even. We would have stayed the night, at least.
We've had those of like wind chills of below 0. That's
Yeah.
not good for a camper.
That's not good. You know, a lot of people tow in that, and it's like we watched the Hanks. They're driving across the United States in sub-zero, sub-freezing weather, and I can't help but think that's not good for your RV.
And all the lines froze.
Well, yeah. If you watch the Hanks, this last episode, their lines froze. I hope I didn't ruin it for anyone by giving it away.
Well, they're watching us, not them.
Yeah, you should be watching us too. You can watch them. Boy, you guys look small. Yeah.
Like that weird movie we watched.
Oh, yeah, with Matt Damon. Downsized.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm fine, boss.
Your eyes aren't frozen?
No.
Isn't it a beaut, Audrey?
She'll see it later, honey. Her eyes are frozen.
Ooh, that's something that is out of a horror movie.
Yeah, no kidding. Look at this thing. That's a tree. I can't even pull that out. That's in there good. And here we are walking in there. Yeah. They cut this here fresh too.
Well, we had like winds
Yeah.
when everything was frozen.
What was that, like 2 weeks ago? A week and a half ago?
And then hail, and then snow.
Ohio. Yeah, we planned about 4 different hikes, I think. We even talked about going back to Hocking Hills. Yeah.
I thought.
Grizzly, how's my boy? I think it was attached to a tree that fell and it's just hanging on for dear life. Because look at the other ferns and moss over here.
It's beautiful.
See this here?
Yeah, I saw that.
There's moss up there underneath the snow. It is. It is amazing.
We are out of the sun.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's time to turn around and head back. He's ready to go until he gets to that bridge, though.
We'll be fine.
Well, I'm not crossing it. I don't think we should cross it.
Seriously?
I'm sure it's all iced. Don't you think?
Oh. Okay, go slow.
Do you want me to go first?
Slow. Good boy. Slow. Slow. Good boy. Slow. Oh, you're such a good boy.
You are. He just gets so excited, and he's 110 pounds. He'll pull Debbie down the mountain right into the river because he weighs more than her. Huh? I don't think so. I think it's gonna be slippery. Do you want to do it? Is this a plank? I forget, or is this a metal runner?
Other people have done it.
Oh yeah. It's not that. I don't think he'll do it. Otherwise, he'd be up there already.
You gonna give it a try? You get that?
It's a swinging bridge, Bibs. Why don't you come on back? Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay, Grizzly.
Yeah, okay. Oh, sweet.
We're not doing it.
sweetie,
We're not doing it
sweetie.
because of Grizzly,
You're
not because
okay.
of Debbie. Just to make that clear.
Oh, baby, you beauty.
Did you want to go across and I'll hold him?
You see his little legs shaking?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, baby, baby.
I didn't think he'd go across it.